Hello, my name is Richard Graham. I'm from Lancaster in the United Kingdom, and this is my CS50 project, which is a Dota stats app. So Dota 2, just to give a background, is an online multiplayer game which is played worldwide, has quite a big player base. The owner of the game is Valve, and it has a web API which is publicly available to access game data. So I basically use that web API to generate a database and then to display that data in a number of ways in a website. It is made using Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQLite 3 for the database. So this is my Flask app running. The first page is the home page, so I'll just reload it. So this currently gives an automatic output which is generated um, based on the web API, and it displays all of the news that has been given. So it takes a JSON file, renders it in, takes a JSON file, um, turns it into a Python dictionary, and then we use that Python dictionary to loop through and display each article in the dictionary. We then have a quiz page. The quiz is designed for a bit of user interaction. So it takes a random game from the database which is being played, displays all the heroes from that game, which I've taken the icons from, it displays how long the game lasted, and then it gives the user an option to choose who they think won the game based on the draft. So, for example, if I click Radiant there, I was correct, so it'll add one to my win count, and then it'll show the score and also the match ID for if you want to check out that match. So if I copy that match ID and go into the next match, the next tab, we have just a bar with an option to submit a match ID. If I submit that, it should then display the match details. So this is doing a web API in the background to find all of the data for that game and display it. And we're basically displaying it in as friendly a possible way for the users to see what's happening and displaying user icons where we can. We also have a stats page where we take the database in full, and this is a little bit slow because it's using 14,000 matches at the moment to calculate all of this data. So, for example, it shows you which hero was most played, displays it by the descending order. So they're all the pages in my app. So that's a summary of what's in it. Thanks for listening.